Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can change the name of category in URL which we have presented and how we can do this. For the example, if you go to post and category, we have our category, and if you go to the view option, you can see that there is the category option in URL because this is the category page. So this is the betting news category. So it presents the category name in URL. How we can change this? Let me assume if our topic is news and or something like study or photography, anything our category which is just specific for one website. So how we can change the category name URL without using any plugin or anything more. uh, so for that we are going to setting, and we have to go in the permalink option. In the permalink option, you can see here the option. If you like enter a custom structure of category URL and tag URLs, you can change from it here. This is the category base and this is for tag base. Let me assume our category name is sports, and if we change the save changes the button, the permalink is updated structure. Our category name is so sports. If we go to this is the category, if we refresh this page, this is the error. This is now no category in this section. Now come to the dashboard and again go to from category options, and let's see the once again this category page. If you see that here is the sports text in URL, so now our category name is changed and come from sports. Just as you like it, we can change in the go to setting and the permalink option. We can change from here the category name, and also we can change the tag option name. If you go to the post sections and there is tag, so from the tag URL structure you can change it from here also. For this information I will please to give you. Thanks for watching my video, and please share and support and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for this topic.